Hi, my name is Heather Mousseau. I've been a volunteer guide here at Dalnavert for, I think, 9 years. My favorite room would be the dining room. It is just so beautiful. The woodwork in it is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love showing that off. All the artifacts are lovely. I think my favorite is the cutthroat razor in the bathroom. Because it plays such a big part in a lot of the, if you've ever read any Victorian novels or Victorian plays or so on, there was always the cutthroat razor that the valet would use to kill his master or something like that. And there is a beautiful little muffin dish that is often in the dining room. I think it's about 1835. I think it's the oldest piece in the house, and it's peach colored and it has some blue flower. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's a lot of really beautiful things in this house that we're always very proud to show off.